Coming up, we take in the views, discover some history, see some nice gardens, make a new friend, and take a windy walk along the seafront. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. You're joining us down in Cornwall, one of our favourite places. If you've seen the channel before, you'll know. Hopefully you can hear us. We have the lovely Kim, and with us this time we've got Kim's mum, Sylvia. Say hello, Sylvia.
Hello.
It's very windy and a bit chilly at the moment, so we're just going to have a little walk around Penzance and we'll take you with us. Well, it is a bit windy and a bit cold today, so we're going to have a little walk through the town first and hope it warms up in a bit. We'll show you a little bit of the town. And no, I didn't get my hair cut there. This really impressive looking building that's now Lloyd's Bank. The statue you can see is of Humphrey Davy, a famous British chemist and inventor. He discovered elements and invented the Davy lamp. Thanks, Humph. Come on, ladies, let's see what else we can see. And not very historic with the spoons. Now that's a proper greengrocer. Don't forget to eat your veggies, kids. Don't forget, hit that like button. Arr. After walking up through the town, we thought we'd wander around some of the back streets and see what else we could find. There's the Church of St Paul's, 1843 that was built. Just tucked away around the side here. Keep wandering, ladies. There's the Penzance School of Art over there. Well, looking at the building, it used to be a library dating around 1880. That plaque on that one says Science School, so I wonder if it was all tied in together. Somebody's comfortable. I know exactly how he feels. Well, we've just had a very civilised cup of coffee and a slice of carrot cake, haven't we? To, you know, give us the energy to carry on wandering. So let's see where we go now. We found ourselves in Penley Park, which was showing off a bit of early spring colour. That was a lovely little walk around Penley Park there in the middle of Penzance for a change of pace. We're going to make our way back up into the town, and then a bit later we're going to have a look at the seafront. Oh, a liquid lunch was it, sir? Right, that's enough of the town. time for a walk along the seafront. Now then, take a moment to give us a big thumbs up and tickle that like button, otherwise I'll get matey here to slap you with his haddock. This is Penzance's famous Jubilee pool. Designed in the early 1930s, the pool was opened in May 1935, which was the year of King George V's Silver Jubilee. Built on what was already a popular bathing spot at Battery Rocks near the harbour, it was cleverly designed to cope with the full force of the Cornish seas. Just dropped down to get my fix of the sea. Really nice, but it is very windy and a bit chilly. Right, I think it's time we promenaded along the promenade. Penzance Promenade was built in 1843 over a strip of shingle beach and dunes to the west side of an early 19th century quay, which is now the Jubilee Pool. And did you know, it's Cornwall's only surviving Victorian promenade. So artistic. No wonder the postmen are always on strike, all the money's getting spent on the post boxes. Right, well I hope you've enjoyed that little walk around Penzance down here in Cornwall. Very windy walk, isn't it?
Yes, very.
Very windy, but not wet, dry but windy.
Yeah, nice and sunny.
Exactly, we've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget, give us a big thumbs up because it really helps us out. It doesn't cost you anything and it's got to be better than watching the telly.
That's right.
It is indeed. So if you have liked it, we'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, ladies.
Goodbye.